gels, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels. This is like 3. Okay, so this is so cute though. Alright, so when using the twin tip brush, I'm just need to wipe it off the tip of the brush. And then also the Ultimate Crystal Kits as well is back in the stock now as well. So if you haven't get chance to get it, then this is a great time to get. And also for all sub members, it's a great time to spending your e-gift card right now. So don't let it expire, because it's gonna be such a great value. So then you can able to restock whatever you are out, or it's like filling up, or start building your inventory for your products. So then when the clients is coming, they ask for any certain different design, you got everything it takes to take your skill, your business to the next level. All right, so I'm going ahead and floating the no wipe top coat right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. Do not clear the condensed glue gel, because we are going to add some of the crystal on. I'm gonna just go along and add it along with my fusioning. This is pink. It looks good. Pink, I think we can add the I'm using this just in case you're curious what I'm using.
And that is the summer's coming set, available right now on glitzsuccessionsuch.com.
This one is so cute. You can pretty much using everything. You can put it in a centerpiece here if you want to. You can just using this. I'm gonna add some beads on and see what's up. It's gonna look so beautiful, but I want to show you that you can do it like with or without crystals. And I say, if your client's like, oh, I don't want it, Nancy, I don't want any other crystal on, then great, you know, don't have to. If your clients enjoy it, it's a look like a fusioning, then let them enjoy it. But if like, oh my god, I want to get some designs on it, and it's great because then the clients want more and they don't mind to pay the extra for the design, and guess what, your ticket will be higher. How's everyone doing so far?
So far, so good. So I guess quick reminder for everyone just tuning in. Any product you see Nancy use can be found on glitzsuccessionsuch.com.
Alright, looks good. I don't know. You think it looks good?
They look nice.
I can put flowers and stuff in there, but I don't want to take away from the... Like, it just imagine that this whole entire beautiful piece of art and have a, like, a blob of crystal just drop right on the top. And that's it. Alright, happy with this? Kia 460 seconds. I can go on and